Hey, welcome to Dominator Incorporated. Today we are going to make this, a commercial poster for an educational institute, so without wasting of time let's start. So we are in the beautiful world of Photoshop. Here click on Create New. Then we need to go to the Print tab, and select A4 canvas and then click on Create. Here we created a A4 canvas. Then select the Pen tool, and draw a shape like this. First we need to know that a poster should contain less amount of word, and more amount of graphics and color. Now create a new layer and then right-click on mouse and select Fill Path. And on the adjustment menu select a color which is less contrasty and more attractive. Now again right-click on Shape, and select Make Selection, then deselect the selection by Selection tool. Next we will create a new shape suitable for the page, and also give it an attractive color. Now create a rectangle, with the Shape tool, at the lower section of the page. Then create a ellipse, with the Ellipse tool, and increase the stroke. Use same color like the first shape in the stroke, and drag the shape, according you wish. Now open the background image, link of all file, is given in the description. Now convert the layer, to a normal layer, and drag it to the canvas, and resize it according to the page. Now add all the text to the canvas. Now I am creating a admission text, and also creating a shape, with rounded corner, to make this eye-catching. In the ellipse, add the logo of your institute, and resize it. Now open the cartoon character, and also convert it to the normal layer, and select the Magic Eraser tool, to wipe all the white area, and then drag it to the main canvas, and send it behind the shapes. In the top of the page, we need to add a headline, to make it more attractive. I am adding your name, but you can enter your name, or name of the institute. And to make it more highlighted, we need to add a shadow, in the blending tab. Now add some shapes, to make it look cool. I am also adding some extra text to make it more catchy. Now decorate the pager as you wish, but not too much. And also add phone number to your poster. am adding some doodle to the poster to look attractive. Then add a shadow to the first shape we created. Now it's completed, and looking really well and eye-catchy. So friends, let's create your own poster like this and comment me below what is your experience. Please do like, comment, and subscribe our channel to get more tutorials like this.